ओके. सो व्हॉट यू हॅव टू डू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम. सगळ्यांनी ही डायग्राम ड्रॉ करून घ्या. वर हेडिंग द्या झिनर डायोड ॲज दी व्होल्टेज रेग्युलेटर अँड यू कॅन ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम. ही डायग्राम ड्रॉ करून घ्या सगळ्यांनी. Those who have joined after some time, the instruction for them is that first of all you can draw this diagram. सगळ्यांनी ही diagram draw करून घ्या. Zener diode as the voltage regulator. Those who have joined left or those who have joined late, for them instruction is that draw this diagram. Zener diode as the voltage regulator. Those who have joined late, instruction for them is draw this diagram of Zener diode as the voltage regulator within a 5 minutes. ड्रॉ केलं का सगळ्यांनी ड्रॉ केलं?
येस सर.
हा, बिलो दॅट राईट डाऊन, त्याच्या खाली लिहा. Voltage regulator is a circuit. Voltage regulator is a circuit which accepts unregulated DC input. Unregulated DC input and provides and provides and provides the constant DC output and provide the constant DC output. Full stop. Full stop. Below that, yeah, most of the DC equipment needs most of the DC equipment needs constant voltage for their operation. Full stop. So the Zener diode is used as the voltage regulator in such situations. Full stop. त्याच्या खाली लिहा. To operate Zener diode as a voltage regulator, to operate the Zener diode as a voltage regulator, this EI should be greater than VZ. EI should be greater than VZ. त्याच्या खाली लिहा. The value of resistance R, the value of resistor R in the circuit is given by EI minus EO divided by IZ plus IL. बघा इथे लिहिलेले आहे the value of इथे लिहिलेले आहे, बघून लिहू शकता. The value of resistance R is given by EI minus EO divided by IZ plus IL. Okay, लिहिलं सगळ्यांनी? Okay, so see, this is the important part related to the Zener diode as the voltage regulator. आपल्याला MCQ साठी काय इम्पॉर्टंट आहे? पहिली कंडिशन आणि R ची व्हॅल्यू, आणि व्होल्टेज रेग्युलेटर म्हणजे काय, दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर दी MCQ. Okay, so see, this is the